Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start in Side Settings because that's where Apple keeps subscriptions. This lets you manage billing and trial periods. Tap your name, then Subscriptions to fetch the current active list. Once done, scan for Apple Arcade, look for the orange icon and the plan name. Make sure you note the renewal date and whether you're on a free trial versus paid plan. That matters for billing and immediate access after cancellation. You now review the plan details to understand effects of canceling. Check the renewal date so you don't lose prepaid time unexpectedly, and confirm if family sharing keeps it for others. Tap Cancel Subscription. Apple asks to confirm because cancellation stops automatic renewals but preserves access through the current paid period. If you're in a free trial, canceling immediately ends the trial, so make sure that's what you want before confirming. You finish by tapping Confirm. Apple sends a confirmation email, and the subscription shows as set to expire at the period end. If you don't see cancel, make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID and that iOS is up to date. Then retry. Signing out and back and often refreshes the subscriptions list. If the plan still appears active after the expiry date, contact Apple support with your receipt so they can reconcile billing for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.